Hey folks, welcome back to the Mid-American Trucking Show in Louisville, Kentucky. I'm Todd. This is Josh. Josh, what are we looking at?
These are the hybrid ACV axle covers from Roadworks Manufacturing. It's a new product for us this year. We've always had axle covers. We've always had the most premium axle covers in the market. This is the next advancement, the next step in stainless steel axle covers.
They look great.
Yeah, hybrid ACV axle covers.
Now, I'm noticing we got a punch pattern on here. We've also got a new honeycomb punch pattern. Can I mix it up and do that?
We do, yeah. You're predicting future products now, Todd.
All right.
Yeah, so the hybrid ACV axle covers, we vent these so that they can keep the hubs cool.
Sure.
Right? So if you put these hub covers over and you build all that heat inside, it could cause a parts failure on your truck. We don't want that.
Yeah, right.
So we vent them with, right now, a combination of oval and round hole patterns so that it keeps that hub cool, keeps the truck moving down the road. But of course, we can add any of our punch patterns. We've got them on our show truck over here with the honeycomb. We've done them with diamonds. We do them with Pete ovals, Kenworth logos, Freightliner logos even.
Okay.
The stars are the limits when it comes to the hybrid ACV.
Now I'm seeing we've got a couple of different flavors here. We've got the chrome ring here and the black ring here. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so we want to have options for every driver, every style of truck.
Sure.
So on top of being able to put whatever punch pattern you want in there, we have a myriad of different ring options for these. So the stainless tube and the stainless faceplate are joined by a composite adapter ring.
Right.
So that ring is available in chrome or black, and it's available in the tapered version or the pocket style. So the pocket style has these indentations around it just to give it that fender flare look. You know, it's a style you have on your pickup truck, bring it onto your semi.
Right, exactly.
So
I like
lots of options. The black can also be paint matched if you want to paint your truck. So if you have a red truck, you want to do stainless axle covers with a little bit of red or blue or whatever your color is, you can do that with the hybrid ACV.
Okay, so I gotta ask, where can I get these?
Glad you asked. These are available at any Roadworks dealer. That includes all chrome shops, most OE and franchise dealerships, as well as roadworksmfg.com.
All right guys, well they're beautiful, you love them, now you know where to get them.